And happy Saturday, everyone. Welcome to the weekend, and we are tracking some more winter weather that is back in the forecast for us across West Michigan. We do have some light snow chances. Overall, not expecting a significant amount of accumulation, but there will be some opportunities to pick up some snow with the first chance coming later today into tonight and into Sunday, and then another system will come in, I would say, later on Tuesday. That one probably has the better chance of bringing us anything widespread for us across West Michigan. But I want to show you the forecast for today. We will see temperatures climbing up into the low to mid 30s, I would say, with a mostly cloudy sky. I can't rule out a couple of flurries by this afternoon into the evening, but I think for the most part today is the dry day of the weekend, as we will be tracking some opportunities of seeing some snow as we head into tonight and into the day on Sunday. Wind chill readings, though, with a nice breeze today coming in from the west, I do expect wind chill readings to be in the 20s throughout the day. So not terribly cold, but when you compare it to the warmth that we've seen as of late in West Michigan, a lot different outside today, but make sure you bundle up if you're going to be heading outdoors here on this Saturday. I want to show you a zoomed out look at satellite radar. There is some snow happening in northern lower, so if you have any travel plans to go up that way today, just be careful with that. But as we zoom in closer to here, we don't have too much going on, just a lot of clouds, and I think we're going to be stuck with the clouds today, and if we're lucky, we'll see a few breaks and see a few peaks of the sun, but I think it's mostly cloudy. And I'll show you this here with the future track as we go throughout the day today. This is what I'm talking about, maybe a couple of flurries being possible. But watch what happens as we get later into the evening and overnight hours. We start to see some snow. Now, this is going to be a combination of a system and some lake effect snow. So we will be keeping an eye out for some of those lake effect snow bands that may impact places in Oceana County and as well as Van Buren counties the most, I would say. But a lot of us here in West Michigan will have at least a few snow showers tonight and into the day on Sunday. And this will coat the roads and cause some slowdowns throughout the day tomorrow, especially if you're heading to church in the morning. Just be careful traveling around the area. Now, I do expect the snow to gradually come to an end once we head towards Sunday afternoon into the evening, but we'll keep an eye on this lake effect snow band Sunday night. It's going to be mainly offshore, but it's a close call, so we'll watch that closely. If any subtle shifts in the wind happen, you know that band can move a little bit further inland. So I want to show you the future snow. Not expecting a ton of snow this weekend, but I would say most of us are in that 1 to 2 inch range. The exception may be there towards Oceana and Van Buren counties as we go throughout this weekend, where there could be a couple of inches of snow. So again, not terribly heavy, but enough that there could be some slowdowns out on the roads and some slippery travel conditions tomorrow for us in West Michigan. Now, showing you the 7-day forecast, we'll keep temperatures in the lower 30s both today and tomorrow. A few snow showers possible on Monday towards the lakeshore. I think most of us, though, it's a dry day for us, and we'll keep temperatures in the upper 20s. And then heading into next week, 32 degrees on Tuesday. That is when our next system will be arriving. I think that one could bring us a couple more inches of snow, and then we'll be tracking at least somewhat warmer temperatures there for Wednesday. Could see a couple raindrops mixing with the snow as well. And then look at the end of the week. If you want at least some warmer weather to return to West Michigan, it does appear that will be happening once we get towards Friday with a high temperature of 43 degrees with dry conditions as well.